Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, a big welcome to all my beloved YouTube channel viewers. How are all you doing? I hope you are all well because at the moment I am in a very extraordinary condition. I'm very grateful because on this wonderful opportunity I can greet my viewers again through this video. Dear viewers, in this video, I will be bringing up a topic that is interesting and close to all of us. What is it? Yes, this time I will bring a theme about social media. Isn't it interesting? I will explain the positive and negative impact of social media as well as a tips on how to manage our time to using social media. Without any further ado, I think we should get started. Have a comfortable position to listen and have your notes ready. Who knows, there are important parts that you can note down. Let's get started. As we all know, we are now live in the digital era. Digital era makes the rapid development of technology, and one of them is social media. Gen Z, like me, must be familiar with the term social media. So what is social media? Social media is a digital platform that allows the user to interact, share, and create content. Currently, social media is a phenomenon that dominates the young generation, isn't it? Yes, that's right. The young generation is increasingly connected to social media. Also, there are so many social media that we can use today, such as Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, X or Twitter, and many more. We can also admit that social media provide a lot of convenience for all of us. But actually, social media also have a negative impact. What are they? So let's get started with the positive impact first provided by social media. The first positive impact of social media is that social media become a source of information and learning. Social media provide a variety of information ranging from trendy information to old information. We can access information from social media anytime and everywhere. One example of social media being a source of information and learning is the activity that we are currently doing now. So I have an interesting topic about social media and I want to share this topic with many people. I create a content in the form of video which later I upload it into my YouTube channel. You, as the viewers, see and listen to my video. This means that after watching my video, you will get information about the positive and negative impact of social media. Isn't it very easy for social media to give us access for information? Good. The second positive impact is to boost social connectivity. Social media allows users to connect with friends, family, and community with the similar interests. This helps social media users to expand their social network and feel a stronger bond with others. Meanwhile, the last positive impact of social media, which is also important, is as a platform for entertainment. It is undeniable that accessing social media can make us forget for a moment about the problem we are facing. There are so many funny videos, memes, or other entertainment content that can be accessed through social media. Of course, seeing this kind of content cannot solve our problems, but at least we can easily entertain thanks to the silly picture or video on social media. Those are the three positive impact of social media. Let's move on to the part where social media also has a negative impact for their user. The first negative impact of social media is addiction. The longer we are on social media every day, the more dependent we become on social media. This is very dangerous because it can affect our daily lives. User may spend an extreme amount of time in front of the screen, sacrificing proper sleep hours, physical activity, and direct social interaction. The second negative impact is the increased risk of cyberbullying. While bullying is more common face-to-face, but it can also occur online, including on social media. This condition is known as cyberbullying. This negative impact of social media is usually triggered by a difference of opinion in the comment section. which then lead to a long argument and cyberbullying. When cyberbullying happens, victims of cyberbullying can experience mental health problems such as stress and depression, and even trigger suicidal thinking. How scary is that? Okay, then the last negative impact of social media is the distribution of hoax news. The distribution of hoax news frequently happen on social media and affect the mindset of the user. The easy access to creating social media account makes many irresponsible people to create fake account which are then used to spread hoax news. The acceptance of hoax news then make user not smart in accepting news without checking the truth first. According to psychology, one of the factors that cause hoax news to be easily believed and so freely spread is because people tend to believe more easily in news that is in accordance with their opinions or positions. Those are the 3 negative impacts of social media. 3 negative impacts alone are very dangerous and terrible, even though there are so many more negative impacts of social media. Well, in order for us as social media user to use social media wisely, I will provide 6 tips on how to use social media wisely. So check it out. First, set a time limit when using social media or smartphones. Set a time to use social media. Push yourself to allocate a balanced time between online and offline activities. Second, check the truth of the information. So before sharing the news, make sure the information is correct and come from the trusted source. Third, protect your privacy. Do not share personal data such as real names, home address, or phone number. Fourth, avoid to comparing yourself to others. Avoid comparing your life to what you see on social media. Many people post only the positive side of their lives, while their problems and struggles are not seen very often. Remember that everyone has their own story. Fifth, follow inspirational accounts that can motivate you to achieve your goals. Okay, so the last tip is the opposite of the 5th tips, which is to avoid negative accounts. Avoid following accounts that spread false IDs, vandalism, pornography, radicalism, and racial issues. Well, from what I shared above, we can conclude that using social media also have many positive impact and negative impact. Therefore, we can use the positive impact of social media wisely, while the negative impact of social media can be blocked with the 6 tips that I shared earlier. I also hope that by sharing these 6 tips on using social media, both me and you can use social media wisely. Great! I would like to thank everyone for clicking on this video and watching it until the end. Hopefully what I have said can be useful for you. See you in another video, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye all!